Hello guys. Today I'm just trying to show you some very important things that anyone with the beginner knowledge of coding can really get initial benefits from Kaggle. First you have to go to Kaggle, which is www.kaggle.com. Once you are here, and once you create a login and you create an account and you go into this page, you'll find a section called Learn, and here are so many courses that you can learn and get the certificates, and that is also free. Like for example, there are intro to programming, Python, intro to machine learning, Pandas. If you are going for data science, I think these are the courses that will be very helpful for you. And there are so many courses like Pandas, intermediate, machine learning, data visualization, feature engineering, intro to SQL, advanced SQL, intro to deep learning, computer vision, time series. All these courses are free, and you can really get the basics of all these inputs, all this information, and I think, and you will get a certificate as well, and this will be very valuable. Just for the instance, what you can see here is there is tutorial as well as exercise. You will first have to go through the tutorial, and then you can practice the questions there for from which you will have options to check whether the answers are right or wrong. There is already inbuilt function that they have built with the, I think, integration with the Jupyter notebook for the Python coding. Yeah, so just to show you a basics of this information, like this is the tutorial that you can keep and go uh, reading through this, and once you complete all this information, then you go for exercise. And I just want to show you the small glimpse of this exercise. Like, okay, it will redirect you to the notebook. Yeah, Jupyter notebook interface. So here you can start from this code, read the instruction, and run and check, rewrite, make sure whether it is correct or not, and automatically they have set this q1 dot check, q2 question 1, question 2, like that, and they have this preferably made uh, check function to check your answer whether it is exactly correct or not according to the question that has been asked here. And you can just go through all the courses, and finally you can get this done. And you once you completed the course and exercise, you'll get the certificates, and also you will have some specific I forgot what we are competitions, and you can try some of the competition, like in case of intro to programming, you'll have this type of competition, and you can try using your knowledge that you have gathered during this course. Yeah, so this is what I found really informative, and it is very basic and very beneficial for the person who are trying to start their core career in uh, data science related field. And this is the basics of data science that you will really enjoy learning. So please keep exploring the thing and keep posted. Thank you so much.